Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Finding a nice office chair that doesn't break the bank can seem impossible. How does the Aloria by Oak Hollow stack up? Let's go ahead and find out now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to keep up with the latest product reviews every week. Let's start by taking a look at the design of the Aloria office chair. The Aloria is fully adjustable with customization for nearly every part of the chair. It has a 5-wheeled aluminum base with an aluminum back support. The seat uses a padded foam cushion with leather upholstery, while the back has a breathable mesh with a bit of a bouncy feel. The chair is sold in 2 different designs, with the headrest and without the headrest. One of the best design features of the Oak Hollow Aloria is the adjustable design. The armrest can move up, down, forward, or backward. The seat height can be adjusted with a pneumatic lever. The lumbar support can be moved to modify lower back support, and of course the chair can tilt and recline. Overall assembly of the Aloria was straightforward, however not necessarily easy. It took us around 45 minutes to assemble. The parts all screw into the aluminum frame, so it takes time to get all the pieces arranged correctly. The most difficult part was getting the caster wheels into the base due to the amount of force needed to snap the wheels into place. Once it was put together, we were impressed with the quality of the chair and all of the parts included. The seat fabric feels high quality and has tight stitching. The mesh is stylish and the polished aluminum frame is heavy duty and provides excellent structure and support. While the metal base was more difficult to get the caster wheels into, I would expect the longevity of the chair to be increased due to more metal parts being used in lieu of plastic. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Aloria. The Aloria office chair is overall quite comfortable. The seat is well padded and the adjustable features make it easy to change the chair to fit your personal preferences. The thick leather seat cushion is a nice feature. Many other office chairs have leaner seat cushions or mesh only. The thicker cushion adds a nice degree of pressure relief. The only real complaint with the Aloria is the excessive tension on the recline control. Even at its loosest setting, the recline tilt is still quite stiff. If you prefer to lean back in your chair, you may find it takes some getting used to. However, it should be said that this type of lean back, while enjoyable, isn't typically great for posture or spinal alignment. When I brought the issue to Oak Hollow's attention, they mentioned that the stiffer recline control was an intentional design choice to improve support. We are now 6 months into our test. We've been testing the chair as a day-to-day office chair. Overall, we're impressed with the performance thus far. The chair has remained comfortable and supportive, and it's still easy to make setting adjustments for different feel. Thus far, we have not yet experienced any issues with parts breaking or deteriorating. In our initial test of the chair, we felt that all the parts were a step up from what you typically find in a value-priced office chair, and after 6 months, that feeling is holding true. So, should you buy the Oak Hollow Aloria? The Oak Hollow Aloria office chair looks like a high-end designer office chair, but at a much lower price. The mesh back and headrest provide great support and breathability, while the thick padded leather seat cushion relieves pressure. During our test, we found it supportive and comfortable. The only downside is the stiff recline tension, making it more difficult to lean back. Even so, overall it's a fantastic value and a great chair for any office or home. Well guys, that wraps up this video. Let us know in the comments what your favorite office chair is. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Aloria. For more from Modern Castle, get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. I can do a big... Oh, let's not do that.
Outtakes.
Check the tips. Check the